Just out today cleaning my quad. I'm gonna sell her because I don't use it. I never got time to go out, and plus where I got a bad arm, it's too hard trying to steer with one arm because my other one hurts when I try to steer the quad. So I got a lady coming looking at her tomorrow. I haven't listed it yet, so I said I'm gonna wait till she comes to see it first, and then if she don't buy it, I'm gonna list it. It's really good shape. She's still like brand new. She's a 2015, and she only has, how many kilometers is it?
413.
413 kilometers. That's it. That's how often I used it. Because look, the tires are still like brand new. My hubby's just giving her a wash, just tidying her up because she was sitting in the garage just gathering dust. I put a brand new battery in her yesterday. She's in really good shape. Not a thing wrong with her. But like I said, I can't use it.
It's just like the day you bought it off the showroom floor.
Yep. Can't use it because I got a bad arm and I never get time. I'm always working.
I think you don't really need it anyways.
Yeah. Because we got more in the garage. There's our side by side. I can use that if I need it. We got another quad in there. So, don't really need it. There's cycling you see over there. There's his dirt bike. This is his quad. It's all muddy, gotta be washed. Okay, gonna have a busy day today. Run around. See my tires there. They are badly weather cracked. There's a few spots. You can't really see them right now. I went to the mechanic yesterday, and when he pulled off the tire, you can see them better. But anyway, I'm getting 4 brand new tires for my car today. And right now, I'm on my way to go pick up my groceries. So I'll film along the way, and I'll try to film in the garage when he puts on my new tires if I can. I'll try to get little video clips here and there. My hubby got himself a brand new power saw. They were on sale. Wasn't bad either. It was like $5 something on sale, which is not bad. He does have a power saw now, but he said it's really small. I'll turn that way. He says really small for cutting big wood. It's only good for small wood. This one here will be a lot bigger because
more torque for this one.
Yeah, and the wood we got outside, some of the logs we got are like really big. I'll show you guys in a second. See, that's what he was getting it for, was like the bigger logs like that. Like, yes, there is a lot of smaller ones there, that's no problem, but the bigger ones like this. He said it goes down true and it kind of stalls out, so he got himself a bigger one, something we needed. And I got my new tires. Sorry guys, I couldn't tape in there in the shop where they were putting them on. So you can see he's all new. Even still got the dots on them. That's my tires. I couldn't tape in there because they had music blasting in the garage, and I said I didn't want to get copyrighted for it and get kicked off YouTube. So I figured I'd show you when I got home with them. That's the new ones. I needed them because my other ones were all weather cracked and split, and even my hubby told me that. And the garage told me don't be driving on them, they're dangerous. So that's it, they're all gone, all brand new tires now. Now, see, this all our wood to get that all chopped up and stacked. Just made it indoors. It's pouring. It was right nice all day, but it called for rain in the afternoon. Now it's raining. So I'll have another video out for you guys soon. I've been steady go all this week, so I never got much time to do video, but I got this one made. It's pretty short, but oh well. I'll have a video out for you guys again soon, so if you like this one, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.